Assalamu alaikum student. I'm here Dr. Kamran with you in my channel. Today we have our discussions for some important questions, and actually this important questions based on chapter linear equation, chapter number 2 from Botanic. Okay, that video I just recorded for basically a business student. So now today we are solving some important questions here. Now the important questions from page number 40 and question number 23 here. Okay, look at these questions, guys. The question number 3 is question number 23 is the equation x3 equal to 20 is one of the set of related equations involving four variables here: x1, x2, x3, and x4, so on. Okay, what is the questions? The question is that equation x3 equal to 20 is one of the set of related equation involving four variable here: x1, x2, x3, and x4. And now the first part of the question is that what values satisfy when x1 equal to 4, x2 equal to 2, x4 equal to 15. Okay, now the question is that you have to find out what values satisfy this equation. What is our equation? Linear equation x3 equal to 20 when the value of other four variables in this equations are these: x1 4, x2 equal to 2, and so on. What about the second part of the question is what values satisfy when x3 equal to 10? Okay, now determine all elements of solution set for each three variables are equal to 0. Clear? So now we have to solve this question. In the first part of the questions, solution here, yeah. What is the solution? What values satisfy? Okay, the solution here is when x3 equal to 20, other variable in this equation, other variables in equation may be x1 equal to 4, x2 equal to 2, x4 equal to 15. So what will be the solution set in this condition? Solution set S equal to, yes, what? x1, x2, x3, x4. That is equal to, yes, x1 is here 4, x2 is here 2, x3 20, and x4 is 15. Okay, this is the answer of question number part 1. Question number 23, page 40 from Botanic. Now, question number part 2. What he is asking? He is asking that what value satisfy when x3 equal to 10. Okay, first of all, as per our given condition, what is our given condition here? The given condition is here x3 equal to 20. So we have to check what other variables may satisfy this given condition. So it means in this condition, value of x3 is fixed. It cannot be other value. Clear? So it means x 3 cannot be equal to 10 according to this condition when x3 is already given equal to 20. So the answer of the second part of question is here given condition is x3 equal to 20. So there is no possibility. So there is no possibility that x3 equal to 10 because because the solution set will not be consistent here. Okay, I told you that whenever you have a linear equation, so all points along the linear equation should lie on that line. If they do not lie on that line, so we say that our solution set is not consistent in this sense, because these points will not satisfy our given equation. Okay, so it means that there is no possibility that x3 equal to 10 here. So x3 cannot be equal to 10 if x3 equal to 20. Okay, x3 cannot be equal to 10 if x3 equal to 20. So now the third part of this question, determine all elements of solution set for each three variables are equal to 0. Here we have a condition that any three variable in the equation or in linear equation are equal to 0. What will be the possibility of the solution set here? So if x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, x4 equal to 0, except x3 equal to 20. So what will be the solution set? So solution set S1 will be what? 0, 0, 20 and 0. Then the third possibility, x1 equal to what? x1 is given here 4, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to again 0 and x4 equal to 0. So S2 is here 4, 0, 0, 0. Clear? Finally, so we can write S3 0 0. What about X2 is here? X2 2 0 0 and etc. So you can write X S4 another solution set, possible solution set. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. You got my point? Okay. For example, if I ask you, okay, you have to plot this graph. Okay. So in this condition, this graph is based on four quadrants or four-dimensional space. What is the four-dimensional space? Four-dimensional space is that is four-dimensional space. You got my point? So x1, x2, x3 and x4. You got my point? So according to this condition is here. All the variables are positive. So it is not easy to graph this question, first of all. It is not easy to graph this question because normally, why if I select the value of x2, what x3 is 20, for example, this one, x3 is 20. So how you will mark this one? According to our definition is here, it will be -1. You got my point? So now this value is positive. So ultimately we cannot mark here. According to the definition of quadrant, four quadrants, this is negative. In this condition, all the values lie is in this region. It is positive region. Clear? So we cannot mark graphically this equation easily because it requires four-dimensional space, and this is not kind of the four-dimensional space. Why? Because one value is here negative, and normally we write this one, it is x1, so it will be minus x1. You got my point? If it is positive x1, positive x2, so it will be negative x2. So now, so technically you cannot mark, okay, this graph here. We just can write here, okay, the value of x3 in this graph we can mark in any positive quadrant here. But now we don't have the positive quadrant for x3 and x4 here. We can just mark x2 and x1 here, and we need another quadrant system or the another space for x3 and x4 here. So that's why it is not easy to graph four-dimensional space in this region. You got my point? So now just what questions you have to just solve. That's why he hasn't asked you, okay, you have to plot the graph of this question. You just have to write that, okay, now you solve this equation, what are the condition, what will be the possible solutions at here. You just have to resolve this question. You got my point? Thank you so much. Now wait for other questions. Allah Hafiz.